Have you ever looked at a chessboard and wondered what all those little pieces do? Let's find out. A chessboard has 64 squares, 8 rows, and 8 columns, with black and white squares in a checker pattern. Each player starts with 16 pieces, one side white, the other black. At the front, we have the pawns, 8 little soldiers that move one step forward, but capture diagonally. Behind them are the powerful pieces. The rooks stand tall in the corners. They move in straight lines across rows and columns. Next to them are the knights. They look like horses and move in an L shape, jumping over other pieces. Then come the bishops, standing beside the knights, moving diagonally as far as they want. In the center, you'll find the most important ones, the king and the queen. The queen is the most powerful. She can move in any direction, straight or diagonal. The king, he moves only one square at a time, but if you lose your king, the game is over. Every piece has a role to play, just like a team. Together, they help you plan, protect, and win. Chess is not just a game, it's a battle of strategy, memory, and imagination. So next time you see a chessboard, try to name each piece and imagine what move it might make next.